Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Expert Empire. In this video I'll be showing you how to properly pad an off-shoulder bustier blouse or top. If you're having issues getting the perfect fit around the bust area, then worry no more because it's the right solution that you need. Okay, so if this looks like what you're interested in, please keep watching to the end. And if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. Now let's dive right into the video. So I already cut out my fabric. I'll be dropping the link to the video where I drafted an off-shoulder bustier blouse, alright? The only difference is that this one stops at the waistline because I'll be attaching a gathered skirt to it, alright? I actually cut out this fabric using the pattern on my previous video of an off-shoulder bustier blouse, alright? So you might need to watch that video. So this is the wrong side of the fabric. I attached a paper stayer to it as an interface because the material is light. Alright, you can go ahead and use any interfacing of your choice if you're using a light fabric like mine, but if you're using a thick fabric, then there's no need to add interfacing, or you can still add if you want. So this is the wording that I'll be making use of. Okay, is a thick wording, so I'll just go ahead and place it on the fabric this way. You can see after placing, this is what it looks like. All right, this is the shape. It's going to be fully padded. All right, so this is me measuring the sewing allowance that I left at the neckline. Okay, for me I'm using ½ inch. You can go ahead and make use of 1 inch if you want, but I'm making use of ½ inch for this. All right, so also make sure that the bust points are matching. I notched the bust point as well, and then the breast pad or the wording stops exactly at the under bust. All right, so I'm just trying to match it up to see if it's sitting properly, if it's the same, if they are touching each other. Okay, one more thing to take note of is that no matter your bust size, okay, you don't have to let the pad come outwards towards your armhole area, okay, or the sides. All right, just make sure that it does not get to your armhole or the sides. All right, so I'll go ahead and iron it to stick it to the fabric. Okay, I'll go ahead and iron it. As you can see, that shiny part is where the gum is, so I'll go ahead and iron it on the fabric to keep it in place. All right, so after that I'll take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down. As you can see, I've marked the line where I'll be stitching, and that is ½ inch all through. You can go ahead and do this. It helps you to be able to sew on the right line so that you don't have a folding shape at the bust area right there, especially at the bust point. Okay, it serves as a guide and it helps you have a neat sewing and a neat finishing, as you can see. So after sewing this part, I will go ahead and turn the other side, and take note that I am stitching it down from the waistline and up to the neckline. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing. As I stitch, I'll adjust. Okay, you can watch what I'm doing. I'm only adjusting the one at the top. Okay, the down one remains the way it is. I'll just adjust the top fabric to match up with the one at the down. Okay, as you can see, I'm done stitching it, and this is what it looks like. You can see the cup is looking so beautiful and curvy. All right, so I went ahead to notch. As you can see, I went ahead to notch the stitch, to notch that part. Okay, I also did the same thing for the other part. Just go ahead and notch it so that it will be relaxed by the time you iron. Okay, so next what I'll do is to make use of my tailor's ham and iron it out. Okay, I'll open the seam lines and press it. Make sure you use a steam iron, and in case you don't have a steam iron, you can make use of this method. Just sprinkle some water on it and then iron it out. Okay, so my steam iron was faulty. I had to make use of this one, and it still gives the same result. Okay, just that you have to be patient and careful while you do this. All right, so I'll go ahead and open up the seam and then iron it flat. Just keep watching what I'm doing. After ironing it this way, I'll turn it to the right side and then just straighten it out just a little bit. You don't need to do much. Once you iron the inside, okay, it automatically relaxes outside. You just have to iron it a little bit, not so much, okay? Just iron the seam lines and then you're good to go. I've already ironed the other side and you can see how curvy the cup is and how relaxed the underbust looks as well. Also take note that the neckline has to sit flat on a flat surface after you're done. That is how you know you've done the right thing, okay? You can see the cup is not having any pointy look at all. It's curvy and perfect. The cup is looking so beautiful and neat. Okay, and it is majestically standing tall, guys. I love the outcome of this. It's so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. You can see how relaxed the underbust is. Okay, that is how yours should be when you follow this step. Okay, so loves, this is how to perfectly pad an off-shoulder bustier blouse, and trust me, you can never go wrong when you do it this way. All right, you can cut off or trim off the excess fabric if you want. This is how it looks inside. It's looking like I used a ready-made bra cup. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please give it a massive thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.